We all know that the last 10 days in Bangladesh, there has been great violence that has been going on. The Muslim jihadists, they have been attacking all the Hindu communities, the minority communities in Bangladesh. Even our ISKCON temple there has been attacked. 2-3 of our devotees have died there. Many devotees are seriously injured. There have been rapes that have occurred there. So we are getting so many news every now and then that around the ISKCON temple, 150 houses have been vandalized, right, looted completely. So all devotees across the globe, the entire ISKCON community is very upset, very angry, very saddened with this, and we expect that the Bangladesh government will take strict action against these people. First, identify all of them and give strict punishment so that such crimes don't happen again. So these are our two requests from the Bangladesh government. So keeping this in mind, we are organizing a global Kirtan protest because ISKCON is a worldwide community. We have 850 temples around the world. So in 150 countries simultaneously, on 23rd of October, the coming Saturday, we are going to have a global Kirtan protest to show one voice saying that we don't support this. And we also expect that the international community, the United Nations Human Rights, Human Commission will come forward and support this, because we feel that what happens in Bangladesh today will happen in other parts of the world also. Just like the COVID virus started in one part of the world, it spread all over. So this is also a very deadly virus, this kind of mentality of trying to harm others, trying to kill others, trying to feel that my own religion is superior. So keeping this in mind, in Goa also, on the 23rd of October, coming Saturday, we are having a peaceful rally from Mahalakshmi Temple till Azad Maidan. We will start at Mahalakshmi Temple at 4:30 and we will end in Azad Maidan. So we humbly request all the supporters of the Hindus, the minorities, and anyone who is wanting to see the world in a better place to come and join us in this rally. Hare Krishna.
Any request to the government of India that the violence should not continue further from your ISKCON organization?
Yeah, so as we told you, our request from the government of India is that the Prime Minister of India puts a word, talk to the Bangladeshi counterpart to see that such things don't happen. Because the history of Bangladesh has always been, all these things have been happening. And all the more the concern is with the coming of the Taliban rule, all this, these radical Muslims have become more strong. So I think it's very important that the government of India and the entire global community also wakes up and sees that this threat, this story that is happening in Bangladesh now, can actually happen next to your house also. It can happen in different places if we don't raise a voice against this.
Thank you.